Okay, guys, what do you think? This is Daisy. She's in the color number 60 from the wig company. Yes, she's from the Fashion Club Design. Now, this is her straight out of the packaging. Haven't done anything to her but cut around my ear area because I don't like the hair on my ear, so I cut around that ear area some. Yes. Let me do a 360 on her. I want to show you her straight out of the packaging. And then I'm going to show you the other side because I'm working on Daisy. Now, this is what I'm doing on this side of Daisy. I am cutting Daisy, okay? And then I'm going to add some foam wrap to this unit. So this is Daisy before, and this is Daisy after. And then what we're going to do is continue on with cutting Daisy on the side. And I'm cutting across at an angle like this when I'm cutting those sides, because I want to detail this color number 60. Okay, so you see Daisy over on this side, and this is what Daisy's going to look like straight out of the packaging. So what I want you to do is to keep watching. All we did was just trim the sides of Daisy. That's it. The rest of it is Daisy. Okay, yes. I love the way the cap is fitting very nicely, very comfortably. Of course, you have the Velcro adjustable straps. I didn't even use the adjustable straps at all. I have my wig grip on and it lays really nicely. That's what I'm loving about Daisy. Again, she's in a color number 60 and she is from the wig company. If you like this one, add her to your wig collection. Yes, ladies. Loving Daisy.